In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn ChatGPT into a powerful color palette assistant for your creative design projects. To begin, I'll enter a prompt that defines ChatGPT's role as an expert assistant capable of providing harmonious colors, hex codes, and practical use cases for any project. I want the AI to understand that it needs to explain the mood and specific application for every color selection it makes. Once I send the request, ChatGPT confirms its new persona and provides a few initial examples, such as a calm minimal style and a bold neon cyber theme, to demonstrate the structured format it will use for all future requests. Now, I'll give it a more specific task by requesting 5 unique palettes specifically for a modern wellness and mindfulness brand. I specify that these palettes should feel calm, grounded, and trustworthy to perfectly match the brand's identity. The results are excellent, offering collections like Serene Balance, which uses soft mists and sage greens, and Grounded Clarity, which focuses on deep forest tones and charcoal. Each palette includes precise hex codes and a clear description of the emotional atmosphere, making them ready to be implemented into a design project immediately. For my final step, I'm asking ChatGPT to generate a versatile reference sheet that covers 5 distinct brand personalities, including energetic, luxurious, and playful. This creates a comprehensive guide that matches colors to specific emotional targets, such as using bright oranges for energy or rich blacks and golds for a high-end luxury feel. I can now scroll through these professional options to find the perfect foundation for any new brand identity or marketing campaign. Using these prompts allows me to quickly build professional, purposeful color schemes without the guesswork. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.